Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a manicure using these products from Madam Glam. So they sent me these colors and I am really loving everything, and I am so excited to try these three colors. And I do already applied my base color, which is a Rosy Nude. So this one is what I applied. So I did apply 3 layers of this color on each of my nails and then applied or use a matte top coat. So here is the swatch when using a shiny top coat, and on my nails are the matte ones. So by the way, I applied this Madam Glam base coat before applying the color so that the product will adhere to my nails. And here are the swatches of these 3 colors. So the first one is this nice neon lime green. This really nice color, perfect for the summer. And this one is a pink. It's called 50 Shades of Pink, so it has a purple undertone. And this one is Aqua Blue. So here are the 3 colors that I'll be using to decorate my nails. So I'll be doing the trendy like swirl nails since I haven't tried using them. So I'll be using these thin brushes from BEETLES. So first I am going to dump some of the products on my mixing plate. So I forgot to mention the top coat or the matte top coat that I use. This one is from Trendy and one of my holy grails, so I used that. So now let's proceed with the swirl design. So I'm going to get this thin brush. So the first color that I am going to apply is called Aqua Blue. So I'm just making sure that my brush is soaked, but don't apply a lot of products, just enough to create those curved lines. And then I am just going to randomly create like swirls on my nails. So this is a little bit difficult as what I expected, because you really have to have a steady hands, and I'm not sure if you're seeing that, but my nail or my hands are literally shaking and I really need to be precise. And I did not edit the speed, so this is the real-time speed of how I work. So as you can see, I am taking my time and being extra careful. So yeah, after I did that, I am going to use this flashlight, like LED flashlight, just to flash cure the color. So I want to flash cure so that when I apply the second layer or the second color, the other color won't bleed and won't move. So now let's proceed with the other color. This one is 50 Shades of Pink, and I'm going to apply it near the or beside the blue one. So again, I do flash cure after each color so that I don't disrupt those previous ones. So now let's proceed with the green color. This one is called neon lime green. So after applying all the 3 colors, I'm going to fully cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And after that, I am going to do the same with my other nails, but the designs are like different, or the swirls are like different placements. So I just put it randomly to where I want it to be. And yeah, I do cure every after color so that those designs won't move once I use the other or the next colors. So I am just going to let you guys watch me do the rest of my nails, and I will be back. So now I just use another flat brush to clean the sides and edges. You can use these kinds of brush to clean it and to make the lines even more precise and crisp. And then after you clean that, you can apply again another layer of the color. So what I love about Madam Glam gel polishes is that they are so pigmented, and as you can see, those are just one swipe, and the color is really vibrant, and it also self-levels, so you don't have to worry about lumps and bumps. And I do like that it doesn't have like a lot of bubbles. So yeah, if you are in a hunt for a gel polish, make sure to check Madam Glam, and I have a discount code from them. I do have a 30% discount code, and I'll be putting that in the links or in the description box below. So yeah, I'm just going to finish the last two remaining fingers, and I will be back. And here it is. I am done applying all of those colors, and I am going to use this Madam Glam top coat, and we'll be applying it to the colored part only, or to the part where I do have those swirl designs. So I got some of it, and using a thin brush, I'll be applying it to those areas. So I like to make the swirls shiny to make them pop and to create a contrast of the matte and the swirl design. So I'm just going to do this to all of my nails and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So after curing, I'll be getting some of alcohol, and using these lint-free wipes, I'm just going to remove that tacky layer from the top coat, and we are almost done. But first, let me just apply some cuticle oil. Again, I'll be using this Catch Me at the Fair. So this scent is going to be available on August 12 at 8 p.m. EST. So this is one of their newest scent, so make sure to grab it, and you can use my code code Jessie10 for 10% off. So yeah, I'll be putting all the products that I use in the description box so you can also check them out. And here is the finished look of this manicure, and I'm glad that I did try these Trendy Swirl nails. So let me know in the comment box below what you think about this mani. So again, thank you so much Madam Glam for these products, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!